All right, so if you've been dieting for months and you feel like, man, my gut is just not moving, the belly fat is not going anywhere, I want to tell you something that you might have not considered. So your gut might not just be a fat problem, it is a spatial problem. Let me explain. Most people think that, man, I'm just getting older, this is how it is, I'm carrying a bunch of extra weight. But I want you to consider that your desk job might be holding your midsection hostage. So let's just think about it anatomical, right? So most people, when you're sitting at a desk for 8 hours, what happens is your chest collapses and then your spine rounds out. Even if you're not at a desk job, most people are on their phones most of the day looking down, and this requires the same bad posture. So this posture that many of us are adapting right now because of new technology, our phones, our laptop, is literally causing our internal organs to protrude out and causes our gut to push forward. So if you're one of those people that feel like no matter what I do, I'm exercising, I'm eating good, but I feel like my gut is always popping out, I'm going to show you a 3-way protocol on the cable machine that straightens out your shoulders, straightens out your chest, and makes your midsection look flatter instantly. Let's get into the cables. All right, so this first exercise that we're gonna do is gonna be a cable face pull. So the first thing that you need to do is get the rope for the cable, attach it, and then I want you to bring the cable all the way to your eye level height. So I don't want you to have it too high or too low. I want you to have it right in eye level. I want you to choose a weight that is somewhat heavy, so it doesn't have to be crazy heavy, but heavy enough that I want you to use your back muscles. When we're doing this external rotation movement, this is gonna help you stand taller and it's gonna help your physique look better instantly. Some of the things that I want you to focus on is that you're standing up tall, keep your core engaged, and when you're pulling it directly between your eyes, right in the middle of your face, and I want you to squeeze your upper back. So as you're doing this, you can literally feel your posture realigning. A lot of times we do too many chest exercises or too many forward exercises, pushing exercises, and we're aligning our back. It's not only making our upper body look better, but it's also making our midsection look better and aligning our core. The next exercise that we're gonna do is a straight arm pull down. So this exercise really engages your lats and it helps your core look better, because if your back looks better, it's gonna make your core and it's gonna make your midsection look thinner. So you really wanna work your back out if you wanna actually have a nice looking core. So what you wanna do is get a straight bar and get the straight bar attachment, put it onto the cable machine, step back, and I want you to slightly hinge from the hip, keep your arm straight, and then I want you to pull down. So as you can see, I'm keeping my arm straight the whole time as I'm pulling down, and I'm controlling the weight. Do not let the weight control you. A lot of times when people are in the gym, especially when using the cable machine, if you go to the gym, look around, you'll see that the weight is like pulling people on the way down. So control the weight all the way through. I usually do like a 2 to 3 second count all the way up and down. So control the weight. This should be somewhat of a slow movement. You should feel your lats working behind you. And as you pull down, control it all the way through. So the third one that we're gonna do is a single arm row. This is gonna actually show you how to utilize those back muscles and how to actually engage it. It's also gonna work your biceps as well for a secondary muscle, but we really wanna focus on making that waistline look better and making that back a little bit tighter. So as you do this one, as you can see my feet, I wanna have my legs opened up towards the weight, and then I wanna pull it. Same as the last exercise, you really wanna control that exercise and control that weight. Don't let the weight control you. And as you pull it back, really squeeze those lats. And then as you're lowering the weight, don't let the weight just yank you back forward. Slowly control it and then pull it back slowly. I usually do about 3 sets of 10 on all of these exercises. As you get better, you want to progressively go up over time as far as in weight. So do these exercises for at least twice a week for 30 days, and let's see how your body looks. You would notice that you'll be standing up taller, your gut won't be protruding as much, and your overall physique will look better because you built those back muscles. I hope this video was super valuable. If you want a complete system that's not only going to tone up the midsection, but also tone your entire body, hit me up, apply for coaching, and let's see if we're a good fit. See you on the next one. Peace.